Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Imagine hitting the trails or crushing your workout with all your favorite tunes right there on your wrist. That's the magic of music on your Garmin watch. It means no more bulky phones, just pure freedom to move. You can carry your entire playlist, your favorite podcast, or even an audiobook, all without interruption. It truly elevates your experience, making every activity more enjoyable. In 2025, the most reliable and indeed the primary way to get music onto your Garmin watch is through its integration with popular streaming services. This isn't just a convenient option, it's the officially supported most seamless pathway. You'll need an active premium subscription to a service like Spotify, Deezer, or Amazon Music. This method keeps your music fresh and your playlists updated right on your wrist. Okay, let's get you set up. Grab your phone and open the Garmin Connect app. Once inside, tap on your Garmin device and then look for the music section. From there, you'll see a list of supported streaming services. Just choose your favorite, log in with your premium account credentials, and follow the simple on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. It's a straightforward process, designed for quick setup. Once your streaming service is linked, you can start downloading content directly to your watch. You'll be able to browse through your saved playlists, albums, and even podcasts. Simply select what you want, then place your watch on its charger, and ensure it's connected to Wi-Fi. The download process will begin automatically, transferring your chosen audio files directly to your device for offline enjoyment. It's really that simple. Now that your music is loaded, grab your favorite pair of Bluetooth headphones and easily connect them to your Garmin watch. Then you can completely ditch your phone. All your playback controls, skipping tracks, adjusting volume, pausing are right there on your wrist. So go ahead, enjoy your personalized soundtrack for every run, ride, or hike. It's all about enhancing your journey, simply and seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.